Hello, this is Marie Claudine Lim, and today I will show you how I read a Keepa graph. Alright, so we have here a Lego item. This is the model number 60453. At the bottom part, so I already have here the Keepa Chrome extension. So we can see on the right side the sales rank, buy box, Amazon, new third-party FBM list price. Also the new offer count, and we can also filter the by day, by week, by month, or all time. Now let's start at the sales rank, or what we call the BSR. So in Amazon product research, so the lower the sales rank, it means it's selling fast. So this Lego item is selling for 48 days only. So we can see that there's a drops in the sales rank, and it indicates that this Lego item is selling well. Alright, so all-time sales rank, so from 18,451, right? So January 24, 12,760. Then last week sales rank is still a good number, so from 11,000 to 7,264. Next, buy box. Buy box is this one, so we can see the price. So this Lego item is selling at $24.99. Yeah, the buy box here is the add to cart, wherein we can input how many units you want to order, and we can just add it to your cart or buy now button. So most of the time the seller who is featured in the buy box, this one, most of the time that seller is getting 80% to 90% of the sales. Yeah, so it's, as a seller, it's very important for us to win the buy box. Amazon. Alright, so I'll just go at the 48 days range. Yeah, so we can see since the buy box is the color pink and Amazon is the color yellow, if we put our mouse arrow in the color pink, we can also see who is the seller who is currently holding the buy box. So we can see from the last 48 days, Amazon is the only seller who is winning the buy box. So at the other term, it means Amazon is not sharing the buy box. Let's go to new. New is the color blue here. If we put the mouse only at the blue circle beside the word new, we can see, alright, here, do you see it? The new 24.99, still 24.99. And third party, so that is color blue, FBM or fulfilled by merchant. So it means that if a seller is fulfilling his or her product as FBM, it means that most of the time the services like the pack and sending the item to the customer, and also the customer service, the seller is doing that because in FBA or fulfilled by Amazon, most of the tasks are fulfilled by Amazon, including the shipping to your customers. When a customer ordered a item from your store, and also Amazon is doing the customer service. So we can see there are sellers who are selling this item for $39.99, $45.97. And at the bottom part of the Keepa chart, so the new offer count, it means from the last 48 days. So from one seller, it goes up to 2, and now it's 3 sellers in the listing. But if I'm gonna search this item, definitely I'm going to skip this item because Amazon is not sharing the buy box. So most of the sales come from Amazon. Okay. Let's go to another item. Alright, so I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but this item is a woman's striped crop sweater. So we can see that this listing has different variations when it comes to size. So the available sizes are medium, large, extra large. And we can also see there are 5 different colors where customers can choose from. So this is the product details, the description. We can also click see more if you want to see more description in this listing. And now let's go back to the Keepa chart. So the sales rank. So this item is selling for exact 90 days. So from November, it has a high sales rank, 1,000 or 123,552. It goes so from January, let's see. You can see, right, so from 76,000 it goes down to 19,000. Yeah. So the dropping of the sales rank, it means that this listing is having, sales. So from the last month, it still have a decent number of sales rank. Okay, so again, going back to 3 months date range, we can see that the buy box price is from 36.99 from November 23 to December 16. 36.99 is the buy box price. Then, it goes down to 33.29. Oh, that's the date is was December 17. I think December 17 to December 18. Then it goes back again to 36.99. Okay, so new offer count. Alright, so just tick the blue circle. So we can see that there's only one seller in this listing, and the seller's name is the same from the last 90 days. And I think that is also the brand name. So it only means that this item is a private label item. So as a product researcher, we are avoiding this kind of item. Alright. Last item is the Lego City Police Car Toy 60312. let's go back to keep a chart. So the sales rank, so from November 23 to December 16, I think that is Q4 or holiday season. That's why this item is really selling well. The sales rank, it goes down from 800 to 200. That's a good number. And also, we can see that from November 23, there are many sellers. From 34, then it goes down to 3, 4, 2 to 4 sellers. At the middle of December, you can notice that if there's the blue color indicates how many sellers are present in the listing. So it goes up again from January onward. So currently, last week or day, there are 19 sellers who is present currently in the listing. But from the last 3 months, the buy box holder is Amazon. We can see that Amazon is the buy box holder. So it also means that Amazon is not sharing the buy box. And there are so many sellers in the listing. So as an Amazon product researcher, I'm also gonna skip this item.